Leeds Hotel. It's actually in a really nice area near to square. It looks really pretty. I'm about to check in and see what they can offer.
Hi travelers, I am Matt and welcome to Travel With Me, your go-to guide for all travel adventure. I have been lucky enough to explore numerous countries and I am sharing my tips and tricks with you. So hit that subscribe button and let's explore the world together.
I am already in my room and let's check it. It's actually really nice. I love this room. Uh, Marriott has usually nice hotel. I prefer them more than, for example, Hilton or other brand. But let's check it. Starting here with corridor. We have mirror here. Another mirror here. There is actually wardrobe inside. Everything what you need, as plenty space. Complimentary tea, coffee, biscuits. We have a coffee machine here. Amazing. There is a mini bar. Oh, with some water. Nice. Let's check the room. Massive king size bed. Really nice. It looks comfy. There is actually door, so I think you can have like connected rooms if it's more of you here. And also there is a sofa which can be made to sofa bed. So it's actually for 3 guests, this room. Some working space. Let's check the view. It's actually just first floor. Oh, so there is no any view. Oh, there is actually some church or something like that. Nice. It's really quiet actually. It's in city center, but you can't really hear any noise, which is good. And continue to bathroom. We have a bath here. This is really fancy. Nice. Toilet, sink, and some amenities. Nice. I am happy bunny. Actually, this room comes with executive lounge, and I'm going there because they serve some free drinks and some canapes. Let's check it. It is self-service. We have selection of beers. You can get some snacks, cakes. They look delicious. Small selection of wine. The big minus, it's really small. So we are standing here and there is no seat. Maybe we'll find seats later. This is a gym. There is actually second part of gym. We have a few more machines here. Oh, it's actually pretty decent. Nice. If you book executive room with lounge access, you can have breakfast just there, and there is no space. So it's actually crazy. So we are actually sitting outside at a reception with really small table, and we have to have our breakfast here. I guess I'm going to show you what they can offer here for breakfast. Actually, there is really a low selection, and they just told us to wait. So I don't know. We are going to wait till 11 to have our breakfast, I guess. So this is breakfast selection. I'm leaving Marriott Hotel here in Leeds. It was actually nice stay. However, today breakfast was kinda ruined. I did not expect to have a breakfast and executive lounge, a really small lounge. I thought it's going to be in a normal restaurant. However, they do it differently here. So if you are booking executive room, you have two options. Either you will choose with breakfast or without. I didn't know it because usually if you book executive room in different hotel, you have breakfast automatically, but they do it differently here. Anyway, so we paid £130 per night for 2 adults with executive lounge. Plus they have a car park nearby, and it's £17 per night, which is fine because it's like a minute walk from hotel. It was actually alright, but it's up to you if you prefer to book room with lounge or without. Of course, without lounge, it's cheaper. That's it for today. Take care, stay safe, and see you later. Bye bye.